right, let's get a sense then of what's happening inside the venue. Let's cross to the northwest then, where Ntlantla Kgatlane is on standby for us. A very good afternoon to you, Ntlantla. Now, we do understand, of course, that registration at this point hasn't exactly started. Let's talk about those delays and take us through what's happening. I see the hall is very empty where you are at this moment, so not much to talk about, but let's talk to those delays that have indeed been the issue at this time.
Well, a very good day to you, Flo. Indeed, coming to you right here from Rustenburg Civic Center, where we are. It's supposed to be happening. The conference supposed to have started long time ago, as you said. But we know since yesterday you mentioned there in your intro that, this conference has been not only accompanied by a lot of postponement, but delays also. We saw an agent interdict yesterday held in court. What we can tell you now is that earlier from the conference that was held by the deployees of the ANC, NEC members, saying that, with regards to another anticipated interdict, which aims at, stopping this conference from going ahead. They say that they haven't received anything. But what I can tell you now is that when I was outside looking around, we saw a couple of delegates, making their way here. But at this particular moment, I can tell you can see behind me the venue, it's still empty. But outside we have seen a number of people starting to come in. But during the conference, the ANC NEC member, Obed Bella, did mention that, accrediting delegate was a challenge. It was a similar challenge that as journalists we faced yesterday, whereby we woke up in the morning, but we started being accredited after 12 o'clock. So it's been a lot of delay. But what I know is that ANC said that probably around, or rather after 3 o'clock, that's when the program of the day is going to, start taking place. We know that this conference here is going to be opened by the Deputy President of the ANC, David Mabuza. But with us, we can hear from my colleague who's at the accreditation center, Zeblion Maine. He can give us an insight in terms of what's happening that side. Zeblion?
Thanks very much, Ntlantla. Indeed, yes, I'm here at the registration center here at the Olympia Stadium in Rustenburg, which is 3 kilometers away from the main venue, Civic Center here in Rustenburg. But what I can say is that ANC delegates are trickling in slowly here at the registration center to register their names and also to get accreditation. But as I will allow my colleague here, Nkosi, just to pen to his right to show you that there are members of the ANC who are loitering around here. Some of them are buying the ANC regalia here at Olympia Stadium. Some of them, they are sitting just behind this ANC regalia under the trees there. They are just chilling, so to say. It seems like they are not intending to go to a conference anytime soon from now. But as things stand right now inside the Olympia Stadium, where members are getting their accreditation and also registering, there are also some ANC members inside here who are still going in registering. But earlier on when we were here, we were informed that Ngakamudiri Mulema as well as Bojanala are the two regions that have managed to register, and currently it is Dr. Ruth Homotsi Mompati and Dr. Kenneth Kaunda. But we have two gentlemen here from Ngakamudiri Mulema in the Tsobota sub-district who are having a serious problem with regards to their registrations. Guys, we understand that you spoke to me earlier on regarding the issue of registration. Can you please take us through as to what transpired when you got inside here?
Yes, it is true that I was wake up early in this morning, wherein some of the administrator of the ANC said part of our delegates cannot be registered because we could not even go for a quota of gender. Now I'm worried why these people at this level come to take a decision while the basic unit of the branch have taken a decision. And are they actually denying such a decision of the basic unit?
And now, did you try to escalate this matter since you have encountered it inside?
Basically, I'm here. I'm rushing inside. I'm going to bulldoze these people inside here to ask them, where do they take such type of decision? Where the secretary of the branch, and I'm having the chairperson here, knowing exactly why the branch has decided on the delegate, and they decided otherwise.
Mm-hmm. And what's your problem, my brother?
No, it's simple. Silo. As a branch, it's a decision. We our 2 delegates here. So we expect our delegates are totally paid mona. So how would they delegate a nose? I put it to Pile young, because what in a level to our baby boy. And Omu, Hutilan, Omu Abelaquana, Omu Abelaquana, owner. I say me retlatsa ona so ke sisteme everything e dirisitswe mo go bodimo ga mo ke sa tla re bona motlholo mo ANC ha rona constitution ha se re bone motlholo wa gore ne selo branch e tlamele e disete yang ha e romela di delegates tsa bona sa tse ne bo mme o ya even le foka wa ya go national gena le selo structure sa selo sa leadership top 5 to top 6. Maybe
one can ask that, were you part of the people who were removed from the list?
No, actually, I'm not part of the people who are removed from the list. What I'm saying, we are here to see our delegates, but saying so that we have to report mo brancheng ya rona. Re bitse hore ba reporta se right. That's why we secretary no, let's go and support our delegates. That's why we delegate our members so that they can come and give us the report of the conference. That's it.
So do you think that the problem of your members are going to be solved?
No, exactly. It helps to. If that means it's not fair. It don't refer computer or happy where do you no conference e phutlame ka ntla gore ne delegate ngwe e tsene engwe ha ya tsene di support mara mo di list debate. So it's simple. Re batla leadership e tla go address this matter gore go tlogaleng go na this matter ya gore e sentse in 50-50. Maybe ka ba buile gape le go policy conferences and ba attach. So
thank you very much. Those are the 2 ANC delegates, in fact, who are here to support. There are 2 delegates who are attending the conference from the Tsobotla local municipality. They are saying that they have 2 representatives here, but it seems like one of them has been accredited, but the other one is not accredited. But we'll hear from the ANC as to if here is the problem, how are they going to resolve this problem in order to make sure that this is smooth progress of the conference here in Rustenburg. But as things stand, some delegates of the ANC are still trickling in slowly to come and register, while others are sitting under the trees, perhaps waiting to be called to say now the conference has started. But as things stand, some of them are still inside trying to register and get accreditation.
All right, thank you very much to you, Zabion Maile, for us there in Rustenburg outside Olympia Stadium. And of course, Ntlantla Kgatlane reporting for us inside the venue where, as we saw, registration still to take place, the hall being empty at this time. We'll certainly catch up with the team in Northwest at a later stage. All right, well, Operation Tudula is calling for the Krugersdorp police station to be placed under administration. It is also calling for the district commissioner in the Northwest, Fred Kakana, to step down. The movement marched to the police station today.